Seen her fair share. She's at a Little Rock location we've been to before. Samantha, it looks like at least for one business, things are starting to look up.
Yeah, Kitchen, that's absolutely right. Now, the last time you guys saw me here was the day of the March 31st tornado, and it was a very different scene than what I'm seeing right now. Now, the shopping center to my right still has months ahead before it's back to normal, but this pizza shop behind me is just days away from reopening. The general manager tells me they feel lucky.
Grateful is the first word that comes to mind.
It's a time of celebration for Hungry Howie's this week as they prepare to reopen. This following months of picking up the pieces from the March 31st tornado.
We are open.
This hopeful feeling is much different than what many of us experienced nearly 16 weeks ago.
The first two things I remember when I think back on that day is thank God everyone is safe, and two, how.
Right beside a shopping center that made national headlines for its damage was Hungry Howie's. General Manager TJ Rowan was inside the store for it all.
I thought it'd probably take maybe a month and a half, 2 months, not 3.
As they waited their turn for construction workers and technicians, the team at Hungry Howie's quickly got busy, doing what they're trained to do to begin with.
That's what I like to do, is hand someone pizza and be like, hey, how can I help you?
A week after the tornado, Rowan says they partnered up with Emmanuel Baptist Church, giving over 100 pizzas to tornado victims. Now, 3.5 months later, Rowan says there's a light at the end of the tunnel, as they're about to get back to doing what they really love.
This is probably my favorite part in operations, is rolling dough. This place is a little more than just pizza.
For the last few months, Arkansas has taken on the hashtag #WeAreStrong, following that devastating tornado. I asked Rowan if he too feels they're coming back stronger because of this.
I'm confident. What I do know is if we keep pumping out a great killer pie with great service, people will come back.
Now, the grand opening is this Friday, and Rowan says part of the proceeds will be going to Arkansas disaster relief. He says certain pizzas will also be served free to first responders as a way to say thank you. Reporting live in Little Rock, Samantha Boyd, KRK4 News.